I am truthful. I am loyal. I am sweet. I am kind. Take unfair advantage and I am done. Everyone comes into your life for a reason. Some good, some bad, some perfect, some amazing, but then there are some that just make your life a living hell and teach you how to be. Never settle for something when you know there is someone out there waiting to make you their everything. What makes some think they have the right to criticize others without first taking their own reflections in a mirror? There are feelings that come out without announcement, moments that come without asking for them, and people that come and you never want to lose them. You can go wherever you want. In the end, you will always come back to those who are really meant for you. Nothing in your life is a reflection of a choice you have made. If you want a different result, make different choices. Goodbye is the saddest word on earth, but it teaches you a lot of lessons that you will never forget for the rest of your life. When life does not find a singer to sing her hit, she produces a philosopher to speak her mind. Never settle for being a character in someone else's story when you are meant to be the author of your own. You can't always decide who walks into your life, but you can decide which window to throw them off. Every big thing started small. Be honest in every little thing you do, and God will entrust more bigger things to you. Don't ever say you are not good enough, because if you can see how beautiful you are, then one who is not good enough. Tears are the silent lullabies that carries you to sleep. Heart touches that your soul just couldn't skip. Courage is the art of being the only one who knows you are scared to death. Stop caring what people think. Stop taking caution in your actions. Listen to what you want. Do what you want. This is your life. Live it. Be happy, not because everything is good, but because you can see the good side of everything. You are here to do something you are uniquely created for. No one else can do it like you can. That's why you are here. Every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending. Accept the pain and get ready for success. The first step towards getting somewhere is to decide that you are not going to stay where you are.